I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I have never owned anything like this and I'm really excited. This wig is glueless and you will see the combination of the colors. Honey, the wig is literally plugged, pre-plugged. The knots are bleached and I'm just here for it, you guys. Luvme Hair Company, you are doing the things. Thank you so much for literally selling us gorgeous black girls gorgeous wigs. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is the box. This is the box. If the box changes, honey, I will let you know. So this is how it looks. All right, so let's quickly open and I will show you what's inside. So the first thing that I got was a cute makeup bag. You can keep it in your cute little bag whenever you go out, and this is what is inside. This is literally my favorite Luvme Hair mirror. Literally, I have this mirror all the time in my bag. It is branded, as y'all can see. Gorgeous. A branded Luvme hair scarf to lay your edges, a combination of a brush and a comb to lay your edges, and then of course a booklet with instructions on how to care for your wig. This is the wig. Look at the combination of the colors. They are snapping. Okay, look at the wig. How gorgeous is this wig? So let me take it out of this. Look at this, guys. Look at this quality. Are you kidding me? This is really amazing. The knots are bleached. You can't even see. Look at the lace. Look how thin the lace is. This is HD, by the way. Let me show you how the wig looks inside. It is a 4x4 lace closure. This is not a 4x4 lace closure. It is too big. So the knots, guys, are nicely bleached. Look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. As y'all can see, the hairline is pre-plugged. I think y'all can see that, and this is how the wig looks inside. It has 4 combs and an adjustable belt. Love this. I'm obsessed. So as usual, guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy the rest of the video. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. I also have a beautiful, nice discount code. Y'all know I got you. So I have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso 20. You are going to get yourself 20% off when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. Do not forget to use this code over here. All right, so yeah, let's get straight into the installation process. It is literally going to be the quickest installation process ever because there is no need for me to be gluing down this wig. I love me some glueless wig.
Thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling.
I love it, guys. I love it so much. Oh my goodness, I love it. Literally, I love the parting. I am obsessed with the parting of this wig.
I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
This is absolutely gorgeous. Phew. I love it. Oh, I love this wig. Sure, I'm a beautiful black woman. Like, love me here. What are you doing? Yeah. Guys, I can't stop touching the hair. It is so bouncy. Oh my goodness, I look so different. I look so beautiful. What is this?
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
This was definitely made for me, you guys. I'm obsessed. I love it. I love the softness of the hair. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Loving the hair, loving the wig. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Love Me Hair, guys. And I also have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso20. You are going to get 20% off when you purchase hair from Love Me Hair Company. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to click that like button or comment down below and let me know what you think about this wig. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah.